Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Anam plugin in Framer to get your widget on your personal projects. In Framer, go to plugin and then browse all. We're going to look for avatar and click the Anam plugin. Now the instructions are to go to the lab build page, which is this one here. So I already created my avatar and my agent. Please make sure you click allow all domains. This is really important. You can go back and change it later after you have published your site so that the widget only works on your Framer website. You can customize it wherever you want. You can have it minimized or fully expanded. Let's stick to bottom left for now. So I am going to publish the avatar and then copy the embed code. We're going to go back into Framer, press next, paste the code in here, and there you go. What this does is it adds two custom code components to all of your Framer pages. If you wanted to, you can also create a separate one and customize on a specific page. If you have any doubts, you can just open up the code and see exactly what that looks like. After this, let's exit this, and it's important to know that it will not be visible in the preview of your website, but once you do publish it, it will be visible on the bottom left, exactly how you configured it in the Anam Lab. Now that we have our website published, we can copy this, go back to the lab, and only allow our widget to be used in our Framer website. This just adds that extra bit of security. And there you go.